Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called Third Thursday Thrift Flips, and that's being hosted by the Rustic Willow and Southern Gilmore Gals. Now the co-host is Junkernecker DIY. Okay, now I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see what everybody made on Third Thursday Thrift Flips. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I thank you so much and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now, full watching the video and clicking the like button helps me to grow. But comment below because I would also love to hear from you. Okay, so let's move on over to the video. So that huge vase there, I thrifted at the Salvation Army. It was a great buy. It's a very thick piece and a very heavy piece. So what I decided to do is the Dollar Tree sell those stones and that net in the crafter section. And I decided to go ahead and fill the top neck of that vase with the rock. Now the hot glue by itself is not going to hold those rocks in place, so I am using the Dollar Tree cement glue, which is a very good glue, adhesive I should say, and then I'm applying, but what I'm doing is applying both. So I'm going to apply the adhesive first on the glass, and then I'm going to go ahead and place the hot glue on top, and then go ahead and line the rocks all along the neck of that, and that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so let me just explain real quick why I'm using that adhesive. So we know we're working with stones, and those stones can get kind of heavy. I find that when I use hot glue against anything that can turn cold, like a glass or a metal, the hot glue doesn't really stick too well for me. So the adhesive is when that comes in. And you do have to allow, again, 24 to 48 hours of drying time. You should be in a well-ventilated area when you're using it. And that is the reason why I am using both these glues at the same time. So I am really loving how this is looking. It is beautiful. It would be really nice if I had enough stones to do the entire glass, but I don't. So we're just going to pick little sections to do. So I'm going to do the neck, and then I'm just going to do one row along the bottom in black also. You'll see what I mean. Now here at this point was when I decided, okay, the top half is done. I really wanted to use those stones. I just wanted to go ahead and line the bottom, and that's what I'm doing here. So of course we are using both glues. Okay, so once I was done gluing those stones, I moved it over to the side and tried to give it some drying time, and moved over to what I'm going to use to embellish this vase. And I didn't want anything permanent on this vase, so you're gonna see me making a jute twine bow, and it is farmhouse style. This looks really beautiful, but you can also take it off and go ahead and embellish it like for Christmas with something Christmassy. So you'll see what I mean. So now I'm really not liking how that hot glue dried. It kind of dries milky, and so I didn't like that. So I went and I got some black paint, and I said, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and paint these stones in black. And that's exactly what I did, and it came out gorgeous. Okay, so now all the stones are painted in black. Doesn't that look absolutely gorgeous? I love it. So now we're going to pick the embellishment, and since we're only tying it, this is where the interchanging of the embellishments comes in. So we're going to go ahead and tie the fall one around the neck of that vase, and then bring in the florals. Okay, and then this later on, you can take the embellishment off and use something for the following season and change those florals. So I'm just loving this vase. Now, so you know, most of the florals did come from the Dollar Tree. The little taller ones probably might have come from Michael's, but the majority did come from the Dollar Tree. And we're almost ready for the reveal, guys. I can't wait for you to see it. Now let's go display this. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the host, the Rustic Willow and Southern Gilmore Gals, and also the co-host, Junkonecker DIY, for hosting this collaboration. I really had a great time. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.